Hey everyone, if you've ever struggled with unwanted timing in Canva, whether it's for a slideshow, video presentation, or animation, this quick guide is going to make your life a whole lot easier. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove timing and take full control over how your project flows. Let's get started. First, open up your Canva project. Once it's opened, click directly on the page or slide where you want to remove the timing. This step is important because each page in Canva can have its own individual timing settings. Now, look at the top toolbar. You'll see a clock icon. That's a timing control for your selected page. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do, a slider will appear. This slider controls how long that specific page or animation lasts. To remove the timing completely, just drag the slider all the way to the left. This sets the duration to 0, meaning your page will now transition instantly without any delay or waiting time. If you're working on a multi-page design or video and you want every page to follow the same timing, look for the Apply to All Pages option near the slider. Click that and Canva will automatically apply your new timing settings across your entire project. It's that simple, and that's it. You've successfully removed timing in Canva. Knowing how to manage timing like this gives you smoother transitions, more flexibility, and a more professional final product. If you found this guide helpful, try it out on your next project and keep experimenting to see how timing adjustments can completely change your design's flow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.